Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video we'll teach you how to make two posts in Moments Mission PUBG Mobile. For this one you have to click on Mission and then at the right you will see Season Challenge. You have to click on it and then you have to scroll down. Here you will see make two posts in Moments. You have to complete this task and you will get 75 RP. Now you have to close this one and now you have to go to PUBG main menu and here in the left side you will see Moments. You have to click on it and now you have to make two posts. You can write on anything, either you can make it public or private. You have to click on post status, write on anything. Click on post. We have made one post. Now we'll make the second post. Again click on post status. Write down anything. Click on post. So that's it. We have successfully made two posts. Again you have to go back and then you have to click on mission and click on V2. Here you will see make two posts in Moments. So we have successfully made the post. You have to click on collect and here you can see we have successfully collected 75 RP and RP is added to our account successfully. So in the same way you can also make two posts in Moments Mission PUBG Mobile. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.